Hi, friends. Today for writing, there is another reflection question that you have. And this time it has to do with a small moment. Do you remember how in the beginning of the school year, you worked on a small moment, also known as a personal narrative, and how we worked so carefully in our classrooms to build a strong beginning, to use dialogue, to use our senses to tell the reader what was happening in your small moment, to make sure that we are using interesting words, that we are using transition words, complete sentences, and all of that, and ending also with a strong ending. So we are looking at just that. It's all come back. We're looking at your skills in using a small moment, how you would write about a small moment. And we know that you've already practiced that because one of the things that we had asked you to do for writing through virtual writing was write a creative story. And so that is also a narrative, not a personal narrative, but it was storytelling. So let's take a look at this. It says, describe a moment which made you laugh or smile this year. So describe a moment which made you laugh or smile this year. Now, you're going to have to really think about this. And maybe you do immediately can think of something that was really funny, that really made you feel good, that made you smile or laugh. And that is what we're asking you to think about. So think about a small moment that happened during the school year. So at school, I know sometimes we get questions like, does it have to be at school? In this case, yes, at school. That made you laugh or smile or laugh. Describe in detail what happened by including a strong beginning, include where you were, what was happening around you, the setting, and then tell us bit by bit what happened. And you've heard that before, bit by bit, stretching that moment, right? Using dialogue between characters. There are other people in your story. There's some other friends around you or other grown-ups around you. And was there a conversation? Include that in there. And a strong ending. We're expecting you to write about 2 to 3 paragraphs. And just to give you an example, the setting could be a way that you start your describing your small moment. So maybe it's something that happened out on the playground, and maybe it was in the fall. So maybe you can describe what was happening around you. Was there a chill in the air? It was a fall day in September. The leaves had turned, to an orange. My friend and I were playing on the swings. And then all of a sudden, and so that word suddenly or all of a sudden, it's such a powerful way of kind of getting the reader to stop and really tune in to what you're saying. And that could be the moment that you're describing that made you laugh or smile. So think about that. And if you can give us 2 to 3 paragraphs, please make sure that each paragraph has at least 4 to 5 sentences. So I will put that over here. 4 to 5 sentences, really, really important. Okay, enjoy. We can't wait to read what made you laugh or smile. And also, before I end, I just want to let you know that please think about the beginning of the year, the middle of the year, and the ending. So that you're not just kind of going back to what just happened maybe last week, right? You're thinking about the entire year. So you have to do some thinking. Okay, have fun and reach out if you have questions. Bye.